Welcome to Lake Erie Golf Cars, and today we are looking at the 2026 RXV Touring S. This golf cart has standard ride height. You'll notice it has black premium seating. Also, you'll see it has aftermarket rims on it. The Touring S comes standard with an IntelliGauge color touch screen that has vehicle speed lock. This model has been upgraded with the Sound Extreme Soundbar, a rear view camera, LED lights, LED headlights and taillights. This Touring S is fully upgraded and ready to come home with you. Click the link in the description to see more about this golf cart.